So in this short tutorial I will show you the Recon class in Battlefield 6, so enjoy watching! At first let's open the loadouts, and who played the Battlefield games, then you should know about the 4 classes that are available in this game. If you are a new player, then let me show you. There are 4 classes. You can change it in-game while playing a match, or you can change it here to get it as a default class while opening the match for the first time. In this video I will talk only about the Recon class. So it looks like he looks like this in Pax Armata faction, and in NATO he looked like this. So what is the Recon? He's a sniper. That's all. All of the classes have 3 signatures for gadget, weapon and trait. Let's talk about the first one, is motion sensor. So this device detects and displays the position of nearby moving enemies, vehicles and gadgets on team members' minimaps. Enemy infantry can remain undetected while moving in crouch or prone. The device emits a sound audible to hostiles. This is a very good option. We can easily check the position of the enemies, where they're moving. We see all of the vehicles and we see the gadgets, like I don't know, the cover, the landmine or something like this. We can see it and we can get rid of it. As the weapon signature, we have a sniper. Stabilize aim by holding breath and rechamber quicker between shots. So yes, we can hold shift and we can get better shot with our sniper rifle. And the signature trait is autospot, looking at hostile while in ADS marks them as spotted. So this is also good because we see some enemies, then we have a red dot above the heads, so we can see where they're moving, where they're hiding, and it's good for our team or for us. Let's check the specs. We have 2 levels, wounding shot and kill confirmed. Headshots from sniper rifles are unrevivable, so this is good. If we kill someone with a headshot, then medic or other teammate can't revive our enemy. And as a class active ability, we have under 6 button on the keyboard. We can call in UAV to shadow you and aid in spotting enemy combatants. This is a good option also. So yeah, that was the species. Now let's talk about the rifle. We have 4 available rifles. Sniper rifle. We can customize this rifle, of course, if we play this class and we play with this gun. Then we will earn points for our class and for additional features to our gun. So for example, we have a single port brake, we can, I don't know, change our barrel, we can change our mag for more ammunition or less ammunition, but with better control. Everything is can be customized in this weapon like other weapons. What you have to do is only play this class and this weapon, and you will earn everything and you can customize it in a way you want. As a secondary weapon, we have only the pistol available. We have 2 gadgets. The first one is a demolition charge, so we have a C4 and we can get close to the, I don't know, tank, and we can put the C4, then get to the safe zone and just press the special button to make the C4 explode. This is good. You can troll enemies with this. You can destroy tanks, you can destroy vehicles, you can make traps with this. This is very good option, and I think one of the most fun gadgets in this game. After that we have a beacon. This is a beacon that we put on the ground in a safe spot, and our And our teammates and mates from the whole match can revive on this beacon. So this is very good, and you will get points from it. Then you will skill your class faster and in an easy way. So remember that you have to put this beacon every time you see a possible good decision for it. Now we have 2 grenades, the frag one and smoke. We don't have flash. The flash can be used only as an assault. And for melee weapon we have the knife. In Pax Armata he looks like this, in NATO he looks like this. I showed you, I think, everything that I wanted to. I talk about everything, and from my experience I can tell you that open maps is better for the Recon class, because the sniper will have life easier, because there is no close combats, and for close combats the Recon class is very bad. We have to use the secondary weapon instead of our sniper. This is obvious. I think this is all. Leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel to see some more content from Battlefield or mobile devices. Goodbye!